Bok choy has the effects of clearing away heat and relieving gastrointestinal problems. Cough due to lung heat, body heat, thirst, chest tightness. Symptoms such as upset, lack of food, constipation, and abdominal bloating. Bok choy is one of the vegetables richest in vitamins and minerals, provide material conditions to ensure the physiological needs of the body, helps enhance the body's immunity. Let's stir-fry bok choy with onion today. Bok choy. Onion. Bok choy remove stem. Sliced onion. Stir-fry onion slices until translucent. Add bok choy. Season with 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. If needed, sprinkle water from side of wok. Pour vegetable into plate. Stir-fry bok choy with onion is done. The taste and texture actually taste great, with crispy bok choy paired with onion sweetness. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. YouTube. There are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. The extract from onions has a bactericidal effect. At the same time, it can increase the tone of the gastrointestinal tract and increase the secretion of the digestive tract. In addition, other functions of onions include promoting weight loss, treating constipation, and improving intestinal circulation, environment, calcium supplementation and bone strengthening, degreasing, sterilization, cancer prevention, cold prevention, and the effect of reducing the body's inflammatory response. Do share out this healthy recipe to your friends and family too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.